Okay, this is a quick update on my PWM fuel pump control. So just in relation to setup, this is obviously the main screen in Primis, RM-Tuner. So under settings, under engine configuration, first of all you have to set obviously your fuel pump to run because you want it to run. Control type is general purpose PWM1, that's the one I'm using. You can set it to 2 or 3 or whatever suits. So if you just go back, then from there, in under IO overview and outputs, and then in there you see this generic PWM1, which is what I'm using for fuel pump control. So the overview, I'm running 200 Hz on the PWM relay, and output is set to fuel pump. I've also obviously ticked this box, which gives it a PID loop to control to the target table. So on the target table, it's looking at load and RPM. All my fuel is set to 45 psi target. It's an NA, so I'm not running boost application. It's deadhead as well, and I have enough fuel pump, so I don't need a rising rate fuel pressure regulator to run it. The X values RPM, source, Y source is load, and then obviously general purpose analog 1 is the feedback. So this is over on the right hand side here. It's currently holding 40 psi fuel pressure because I had it running a bit an hour ago. And you'll see now when I start that the output starts to modulate and to control the pump. So that's the engine running now, if you can still hear me. So output sitting there, high 20s to 30%. Target pressure, as I said before, is 45 psi. And then this is the feedback from the fuel pressure sensor that I fitted at the fuel filter. So simple as that.